A damp start to the week sees the welders out on the end of the gravel extension considering the removal of the last dock furniture. Further up the extension, electricians are preparing to remove some light poles. The rain is relentless throughout the work, and then we begin to see crane mats arrive. It's encouraging evidence of pile driving machinery to come. Up beside Ontario Street, an excavation is still present and open. With the last fender support gone, the welders turn their attention to removing other unnecessary objects. And Kehoe are seen, apparently inspecting the temporary dolphin. The purpose of work taking place in front of the new terminal building will become clear later in the week. Tuesday sees more crane mats delivered. Work continues at the end of the gravel extension, and we begin to see catwalks and platforms appear on the outside of the top of the north finger. It becomes clear that the level of the extension is being raised again and brought up to match the old dockside. In very wet conditions indeed, batteries are delivered to the battery building. It will be some time before they can be used, but they're considerably better off here than stored elsewhere. In a reflection of the environmental benefits of electrification, it's particularly good to see all their packaging recycled. Wednesday brings more rain and more batteries. It's truly weather for ducks. Along the extension, there's a continued effort to remove redundant features. Beside the old terminal, the excavation continues to intrigue, but not for long. Thursday will bring fog and a team from Bar, who seem intent on addressing the work. They will spend most of the day addressing whatever problem may be present. But by day's end, the roadway will be restored. In case you're wondering, how bad was the fog? The Wolf Islander 3, after an early trip from Marysville, spent the rest of the morning in dock. The big news of the day, though, was the arrival of 3 trailers that will serve as offices and accommodation for the pile driving company. It became clearer than ever throughout the day that everything possible was being done to clear up and to prepare for their arrival. Friday and the end of the week could not have produced weather that was more stark in contrast to the day before. A look along the north side revealed the catwalks and crossings largely in place, and the preparation of crane mats underway. There's every indication that we can expect some major changes next week, but I'll leave you in the meantime with a look up Barrack Street, where Barr managed to close the excavation and repair the roadway. Thanks, as always, for watching.